Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is the second part of breakfast recipe. Yes, here's one onion. I'm taking one small onion and 3 to 4 green chilies, and I'm taking for one egg. Okay, today the recipe is about scrambled egg. So first of all, heat up the oil. 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Then add onions. Fry it until it gets translucent. Then we are gonna add green chilies. Now it's the time to add green chilies. I'm gonna add it and fry it. Now when it gets brown, now it's the time to add the egg. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Make sure you break the egg into small pieces like this. I hope you guys like the first part of breakfast recipe. If you like that, share your experience with me. I'm gonna share that on that I button, and I also give the link on the description below. Tandoori or paratha, whatever you want. And the third part of breakfast recipe, I'm gonna upload that on tomorrow. So we'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.